Robin Hood and Little John are walking through the forest, laughing back and forth to what the other has to say. Reminiscing this and that and having such a good time. Oh-de-lottie, golly, what a day. Never ever thinking there was danger in the water. They were drinking it, they guzzled it down. Never dreaming that scheming sheriff and his posse was watching them and gathering around. Robin Hood and Little John are running through the forest, jumping fences, dodging trees and trying to get away. Contemplating nothing but escaping